Yeah, sure. So, hello. Hi, good morning. And my name is Kishore Babu, and I have a 10 plus years of IT experience. And then out of that, 6 plus years of data warehousing experience with the Microsoft Business Intelligence tools and the Tableau. So, I have done some couple of projects with the Tableau. So, and I'm doing development projects with the Tableau since 1.5 years. And apart from this professional experience, and I have 4 years of training experience, and I'm giving a training on different technologies and Microsoft Business Intelligence, SharePoint Business Intelligence, and the Tableau. Since 1 year, I'm giving the trainings on the Tableau, and as of now, I have completed more than 50 batches from the Tableau training. So, and we have a presentation demo to discuss about the Tableau training demo. And this is the demo file. And initially we have a agenda file. So agenda is going to discuss about the different items, what is the business intelligence, what are the different traditional reporting tools, why we need to use advanced visualization tools, and even we have the different competitive tools, why we are picking only Tableau, and what is the Gartner report, what it is saying about Tableau, and what are the different products from the Tableau, and my Tableau training plan sheet, and small sample demo, and finally the questions and answers. And the first is, what is business intelligence? Business intelligence is nothing but the client is having a business data. On top of that, we are applying intelligence with the help of business intelligence tools. So in the market, there are so many tools available in the market to work with the business intelligence, applying a business intelligence. So initially we have a client data as a source, and we are preparing the data mart with the help of the source and data warehouse, and with the help of data mart and data source we are creating different reports and dashboards. For that we have a traditional reporting tools, SAP Business Objects, Cognos, MicroStrategy, Microsoft SSRS, and so many tools are available to do the reporting. Some of them are licensed and non-licensed items. And the problem with these tools is the time. It's a time lengthy process to design, to create to complete a solution. So for that, the new advanced visualization tools came into the market, and the one of them is the Tableau and ClickView and Spotfire. So, and in this, why the Tableau exactly means, the Tableau it's very easy to develop a solution, and we can complete a solution within 3 months of duration. If we had chosen the old tools, then definitely we need a 6 months of duration. But in case of a Tableau, it's a 3 months of duration maximum, for example. And apart from that, the learning curve is very easy to understand, and even for IT and non-IT candidate also easily understand the Tableau, and very easy to use by any user. And we have a Gartner report. What is a Gartner report? Why we are using this one? Why we are understanding this one? Gartner is an organization to collect the different functionalities from the different products from across all the globe. So here you can see the list of the reporting tools, and the report is saying about the business intelligence and analytics platform. Out of this, Tableau got a rank 1. Why means the Gartner company job is to collect the different products, the different functionalities, and they are preparing some checklist and cross-verifying with all the products, and they're giving a score to each item, each tool. And based on that, the Tableau got a score 1, and it is in the leader's position. So, and this report was generated on February 2014. So for this last year. And next month the Gartner is going to release the same kind of report in the business intelligence and analytics platform. So this report is shared to the clients and the companies and all the people, and the people are verifying this report, and based on that they can easily understand that, okay, the Tableau got a rank 1, what are the options in the Tableau, why the Gartner has given a rank 1 to this one, and they are also cross-verifying from their end, and they're going with the new advanced visualization tools for the next projects. And what happens in the last couple of months, most of the clients are migrating their projects from the older tools to the advanced visualization tools like a Tableau. So because of that, there are so many positions are opening in the market for the Tableau. And we have different products from the Tableau. The one is a Tableau desktop, that is for development activities. And we can connect to the data source, we can prepare the worksheets, we can prepare the dashboards, and finally we can do everything from the development activities to the desktop tool. And finally we can deploy this desktop to the dashboards to the Tableau server or Tableau online. So we have a Tableau server here. The cost is more than $80,000 plus. So the Tableau server is for hosting the dashboards. Along with that, there are so many administrative related activities, the installation part and the managing part, and backup and recovery the databases, administrative areas, managing the user permissions, sites, projects, groups, and there are so many server related, administrative related activities in the Tableau server. And the Tableau reader, third item, is an offline Tableau dashboard viewer, and it is a free version, and the desktop and server is a 14-day trial version, and after that we need to purchase a license. Coming to the fourth item, Tableau Public is a free licensed development tool. Tableau Public is cannot connect to the server-based database system. It can connect to Microsoft Excel, text file, Microsoft Access database, and then open-based systems. It cannot connect to server-based database systems, and it cannot host the dashboards from the public software to the Tableau server. There is a provision to host the public dashboards to the Tableau public website. And coming to the Tableau Online, the fifth item is a cloud-based Tableau server. We don't need to purchase the Tableau server, and we don't need to manage the administrative related activities from our side. We don't need to hire the Tableau administrator in case of Tableau Online. And the Tableau Online is nothing but the Tableau server was installed by the Tableau organization on their premises, and we are just accessing their server through web access, through URL access. We need to subscribe to the Tableau Online version, and which is similar to the Tableau server. There is some limitations in this place, but the final target is deploying the dashboards to the Tableau server. So in this case, we can deploy the desktop related dashboards to the Tableau server, or you can also deploy to the Tableau Online. And the final item is Tableau Mobile. The Tableau Mobile is nothing but a mobile business intelligence. Mobile business intelligence is nothing but the Tableau business, the generally business analysts are they are accessing the dashboards via mobile. Mobile means we can access these dashboards from Android tablet or iPad. So there is a mobile app available in the Google. You can download that app and install it in your tablet, and you can connect to the Tableau server based on your access. And once you are getting into the Tableau server from the mobile, you can verify the dashboard and you can do your analysis from the mobile while traveling. So this is we are calling as a Tableau Mobile Business Intelligence. And finally, we have a small practical demo here, and before that there is a training plan sheet, and this is the training plan sheet designed by myself. I have a full length of training plan sheet. So we have around 3 pages of the training plan sheet here. The first page is saying about the data management related activities in the Tableau, how to connect to the data, how to connect to the different databases, how to manage the data blending options, and there are so many activities in terms of data management with the Tableau. And the second page is purely discussing about the different worksheet styles and how to create a different reports with the different items like bar report, chart report, map report, pie chart. There are so many reports, heat maps. And by creating the reports, we are going to discuss about the different features from the Tableau, and finally we are going to create a different dashboard from the second page, and finally we are going to deploy these dashboards to the Tableau server from the second page discussions. And third page is discussing about the Tableau server and how to install the Tableau server and how to configure it in a cluster installation and distributed environment. So we are discussing, generally we are working with the trial versions. We have an option to install the Tableau server in a standalone mode only. And also we are discussing about Tableau administrative related activities. And finally we have a different products, the Tableau Public, Tableau Reader and Mobile. So we have a small discussion about these products in a 1 or 2 hours of duration. And finally I have some Tableau 9 expected features documented here. We have a short discussion about the Tableau 9 expected features, and the Tableau 9 is going to be released in a couple of months. And this is the training plan discussion. And finally a small sample demo. And for that I have a mission ready. And this is the tool, and once we install the Tableau, we have a desktop item tool available on the desktop, shortcut icon. Just double click to open the Tableau desktop 8.3 version tool. So it is coming for the first time, look like this, and you can, obviously we need to connect to the data and we can start to prepare the reports. That is the way. So step 1, connect to the data, and we have a bunch of data connections here. You can see from here. So these items on a server based active database connections you cannot find in the Tableau public software. And for now, for a demo purpose, I am connecting to the Microsoft Excel file. I have an Excel file which is already which is given by the Tableau to practice. So for this training demo purpose, I am using the Tableau installed file, the sample Excel file, superstore information, which is nothing but the information related to the products and the orders and the sales amount. So in this Excel file we have 3 sheets. One is order sheet and the return sheet and the user sheet. We can easily just click on this and drag and drop to the right side. That's it to connect to the Tableau from the Excel sheet to the order sheet. So once I drag and drop the order sheet to the right side, we have the field names along with the data is coming in the downside. So these are all the fields from the Tableau, and you can verify that there is a discount and shipping cost and customer name and product information and where the product was sold. So the region, state, provenance, city and postal code and order date and sales information, profit information. And we have a provision to add extra sheets to the here. So I'm dragging and drop to the right side to the regions and the returns information to the data source place. Then automatically it is trying to join the information. If you look at here, the Tableau is automatically doing the inner join based upon the common ID availability. So in this place, order ID is from the order sheet and the order ID is from the return sheet. So based on the combination, it is identifying the matched data and giving the result. And for now, I'm going to cancel this one. I'm continuing with the order sheet and click on the go to worksheet, and it is. And before that, we have a data management activities. We can do some management activities. For example, I can change the rename. I can do that. I can hide it. I can change the data type by clicking on here simply. So I have an option to filter data before moving to the design space. By clicking on here, you can see the list of fields which are available from the order sheet. Simply, if you want to control the data for the East, then just select East and exclude it. In that way, you can control the data before moving to the design space. So for now, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just moving entire data to the design space. We are calling this a Tableau design space, designer. So once we click on the go to worksheet, it is coming to here, and now you can see the orders information and what are the fields are from the order sheet are available under dimensions and the measure sections. And which are aggregatable items? Aggregatable means the sum, average, count, distinct count, minimum, maximum. All items can be satisfied by these fields. That means we can do the sum, we can do the average discount, we can do the count of discounts, we can do the distinct discounts, we can do the minimum of maximum of discounts, and every aspect in all the aggregation functions are satisfied by these fields are coming under measure section. But we can not do the same thing with these items in the dimension members. For example, order ID. In general, we are not going to do sum of order IDs, we are doing count of order IDs. That means the sum is not suitable function for this scenario, and the average order IDs, that is also not suitable item. So something we are unable to do some of the aggregation functions for these items, that means it's a fail. Those items are coming under dimension area. So it's a, and now I'm going to create two reports. One is a map report. So for the map report, I'm going to click on a state provenance directly, and before creating a map report, I'm just discussing about the basic template about basic screen details. And this is the data source screen. We can also hide it like this, and you can see from here. And after that, we have some containers here. Those containers helping to modify the reports and changing the style of the report. And we have a show me control to display the different reports in different formats. And based on the field selection, automatically the items were available and the remaining items are grayed out. So for the state provenance, there are two items were available, the map report and one more map report, field map report. If you look at in the downside, there is a description for field maps try. For that, this report is requiring one geographical data type related dimension member and 0 or more dimensions and 0 or 1 measure. So for this map, I have selected already state or provenance field in the data source, and that field is enough to design this report. So I can just simply click on this report and under show me control, and that works. Then map report will be created in a seconds of time. And you can just simply click, drag and drop the state provenance onto the label box to the report. Then automatically you can see the state names under each map, and this data is belongs to United States only. That is what you are looking at, only United States data here. Now I'm drag and drop the profit information to the profit box, color box. Just select the profit and drag and drop to here, color box. At the same moment, you can see that there is a listener added to the designer place. You can see the colors, and the pink color is saying about a negative profit, and the green color is saying about a positive profit, and the light green is saying that light profit, so less profit, and the thick green is saying about a high profit. The same visualization effects you can see in a map report. The Montana has the negative profit. If you look at here, there is a minus 9464 amount of the dollars is a negative profit, and Mississippi also got a negative profit. So, and the Illinois has got a good profit. So $1,27,840 is a profit information, and you can see this. We can also drag the profit information to the label shelf. Is giving the profit information aligned with the state names. Now you can see this, and the next report I'm going to create one is a bar report. For the bar report, what I'm going to do for the styling purpose, I'm just select the state provenance and drag and drop to the row section. Now I can see all the list of states from the United States of country India. So, and the next item I'm going to drag and drop the product category to the right side of the state providence under row section. Now I'm going to drag and drop the sales to the column section. I can see my sales information in terms of a bar to the every state and every category. I can see my data after as a label, the sales data to the label section by from here. Just drag and drop the sales information to the label box. Then the bar is coming with the labels along with that. Now I'm going to map these two reports under the dashboard. To design the dashboard, I have a simple option I can create here, or else I can go to the dashboard menu and click on the new dashboard. Now I have a dashboard designer canvas. I can simply click on here. I can drag and drop these reports to the right side. And before moving these two reports, I have an option to floating. The floating option will give you the reports to resize the dashboard reports in this empty area, white space. Now the first item I'm going to drag and drop the map report to the right side. Now I can see this map report. I can expand it based on my requirement. I can also move this legend to some other place. I can also release the profit label name show title. Then you can see only legend with the colors. And the next is bar report. I can drag and drop the bar report to the right side of the map report. Now I can see this bar report in very small box. I can expand this as much as. And the bar report, I can modify the title, or else I can change the title also. I can hide the title also. So now what I'm going to do is I'm trying to make a relationship between these two items. As of now, right now, there is no relationship. If I'm clicking on any particular state, the bar report is not responding. For example, if you click on amount now, there is no response from the right side. So my expectation to do the analysis, I'm doing some actions on the left side, and the right side has to respond based on the selection from the left side. So for that, I'm going to do some small action, select this and click use filter option. So this option is allowing me to control entire two reports from one to one. So for example, if I'm clicking on California, and the right side the report is showing only California data. And you can keep control button and you can click one more state, one more state, one more state. So in that way you can do your custom selection. You can also do a bunch of states by selecting like this. So we have so many options to do the analysis. And finally, once the dashboard is designed, we have an option to deploy it to the Tableau server. Once we sign in, we have an option to publish workbook option. We can publish this workbook to the Tableau server. So that is about a demo. And apart from the Tableau course is going to discuss about the Tableau development activities, 75% of the development activities, and the 25% of the server related activities. And this course is required around 25 to 30 hours of duration. That means maximum 1 month of duration. And apart from this training, I'm going to provide some help docs. So some author books and some self-prepared documents. I'm going to give you some interview questions which are prepared by myself, and you can also do the recording from your side. And any questions you can raise it, you can post it to kerneltraining.com. So, and that's it. Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye.